Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the BMG snare aka the spit snare.
Beatbox.
The BMG snare is one of the most widely used snare in beatboxing and is mainly used in trap routines, and also it sounds really dope on a mic. To do the BMG snare, first you need to build pressure in your mouth around your lips and then slowly release it from the center of your mouth, similar to that of a kick drum. But instead of releasing all the air circled in your mouth, you just release a part of the air by keeping your lips tight and pushing the air out by using your tongue to get this crackling clap kind of sound And if you people aren't getting the crackling sound, you people can try to fill your mouth with air and release it by using your hand just to get the feeling of how to do the sound. And then slowly try to control the release of air circled in your mouth by using the pressure in your mouth. So this sound might take some time for you guys to get it. So don't get discouraged if you people don't get it in the first try. Keep practicing and try to build muscle memory until you get the sound. And after you guys get the sound, a simple practice pattern would be and another practice pattern would be and an intermediate groovy pattern along with the block lick would be And that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you people learn this sound or help you to get started with this sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.